Hey, so how are you all doing? In this video, I'm just going to be drawing some hands without any guidelines. Recently, I've seen some artists do this, and I've been quite amazed at seeing them do it because they just make it look so effortless. So I decided that I wanted to give it a go. So that's what you're going to be seeing here. These 5 hands that I'm about to do took me about 12 minutes. It's been shortened down to 4 minutes because if I showed you the entire 12 minutes, you'd see how agonizingly slow it was. Other than that, if you like the drawings, please drop a like or a comment to let me know how I can improve. And please consider subscribing. Have a good day. Peace.